Many of you
Listen attentively.
have allowed people to tell your stories. And I do not want other people from a different tribe to tell your story. I want you to tell your story by yourself. I'm taking this section to educate you. That is why I'm speaking English. But I'm supposed to speak Igbo. Okay? To educate you on the importance of you, knowing where you come from, your history, knowing your dialects, knowing your culture as Ikwerre people, knowing your dress code as Ikwerre people. Now, Ikwerre is not from Igbo. Ikwerre is from Bini. Did you hear me?
Yes.
Do not allow anybody to deceive you. Ikwerre is not from Hausa. It's not from any other tribe. But it's from Bini. That is our origin. In the book I'm going to give you free of charge. Those things are detailed there. So let me start with this. I use it.
Just look at the rubbish that this boy is telling those children. Lying to those children from childhood. Children were innocent minds. You are lying to them, telling them that Ikwerre is from Bini. What is Bini in Ikwerre land? Nothing. The reason why Ikwerre people are saying that they are not Igbo people is simply because of politics. They don't want to be marginalized the way Igbo nation is being marginalized. That is why these people started to lie, telling their children that they are not Igbo people. But they will keep lying and they will keep failing because we, the Igbo unification movement, we not go allow their mind touch ground. If you like, write different kinds of books. Keep telling lies. Publish those books. Sell it to Ikwerre children. We will be here busting the lies in those books. Making videos. Our videos will be here forever. In the nearest future, your children will see our videos and they will start questioning those lies that you people are putting in those books that you call history. What is the name of that your ancestor you said gave birth to you Ikwerre people? You people are calling Akalaka. Oba people are calling Akalaka. Egbeye people are calling Akalaka. You people started to lie to yourselves, saying that Akalaka means precious cup in Bini language. We have asked so many Bini people, what is the meaning of Akalaka in Bini language? All of them are saying that there is no word in Bini language called Akalaka. They started asking Ikwerre people, what is Akalaka? Ikwerre people start saying Akalaka means precious cup. Bini people said there's nothing like precious cup called Akalaka in Bini language. What we Bini people call precious cup, precious vessel, is Ukunoga. Meet any Bini person now, ask him what is the meaning of Akalaka in Bini language. He go tell you say you don't know. Go for Bini land now. Tell them, may they tell you waiting that they call precious cup, precious vessel. They will tell you Ukunoga. So many of my classmates in school are Bini people. All of them don't know anything be Akalaka. They don't know the meaning of Akalaka. Every Ikwerre author, every Ikwerre historian where they talk say Ikwerre people not be Igbo people, say Ikwerre people are Bini people. All the history book where they write now rubbish. You people are lying. We know your history. Some people will be saying you can't tell people their history. Allow people to tell their history. Nah, lie. There's nothing like allow people to tell their history. We not go sit down, they watch our brothers, they mumu. Tell your history, but when you start lying, we go tell you say, bros, you they lie. Ikwerre people, about people, Ikwerre people, tell us the meaning of Akalaka in Bini language. You people started telling us precious cup, precious vessel. Bini people they talk say akala cannot be precious cup, not be precious vessel. Say what they call precious cup and precious vessel for their land. Now una not agree, una dey force una self from Bini. Shameless people, una not get shame, shameless people. Because of politics, you people started telling your children that they are not Igbo people. Cowards! Ule. People that cannot stand up and face their fears. Instead, now to deny your origin. Akalaka gave birth to some part of Ikwerre people. He gave birth to Oba people and Ekwerre people. Akalaka is not a Bini man. He is not from Bini. Akalaka is from Ukwane. You Ikwerre people, where they claim say na Akalaka born now Ukwane, my land now not from migrate go that place where una dey so. Akalaka, the name of this Ikwerre Ekpe and Oba ancestor, means destiny. Akalaka does not mean precious cup. Make una dey get shame. Coming online to say rubbish. You go see some Ikwerre youths go there online, they talk nonsense with boldness. Your elders, they tell you say Akalaka for Bini language means precious cup. Instead of you to go ask Bini people, Bini person, tell me truth, what is the meaning of Akalaka in Bini language? Bini people not get word called Akalaka in their language. Instead, you kept forcing that rubbish that your elders told you on yourself. Forcing yourself to believe that Akalaka means precious cup. Ego. It's very shameful. Asari Dokubo is there telling you Ikwerre people to stop deceiving yourself. Asari Dokubo knows the meaning of Akalaka. He's there saying that Akalaka means destiny. Telling you to stop denying your origin. Telling Ogbandekpe people that they are Igbo people, that they should stop denying their origin. Yet you people kept writing books of lies, deceiving your children. Una mind not go touch ground. Igbo unification will be here exposing your lies. See, when I tell you that your mind not go touch ground, your mind will never touch ground. Una don't enter one chance. If you like, share it in the whole schools in Ikwerre land. Those children go read that book. A time will surely come. They will start questioning those books. Tell you that book from beginning to Z is rubbish. How you gonna twist Akalaka for Igbo language where we say Akalaka means destiny? You are twisting the word. Telling people that Akalaka means precious cup. Are you people not ashamed of yourself? Ikwerre people don't bear Bini names. Another Ikwerre ancestor that Ikwerre people are saying that he came from Bini, his name is Ogbowagidi. Ogbowagidi migrated from Arochukwu in Abia State. Today, those set of Ikwerre people are saying that Ogbowagidi is from Bini. Can you imagine? These people, why are you people lying? Ogbowagidi is from Arochukwu, not Bini. Ikwerre people, you people are 100% Igbos. Stop deceiving yourselves. These same people said that Akalaka have a brother called Ochichi. Is there any word in Bini history called Ochichi? No. Is there any word in Bini language called Ochichi? No. Ochichi is an Igbo word for leadership and darkness. Ochichi means leadership. Ochichi means darkness. In Bini alphabet, there is no word like chi inside. Ikwerre people, where they claim Akalaka descendants, you people are from Ukwane. Ikwerre people migrated from Ukwane land to their present location. Ikwerre people are saying the reason why we are speaking Igbo language was because our fathers married Igbo women. What was the language of Ikwerre people before your fathers married Igbo women? Speak that language for us to hear. Instead, they will tell you, we dey speak Bini language before, but as our fathers come, they marry Igbo women, we start speaking Bini, we are now speaking the language of our mother. Shameless people, shameless people, shameless people, na not get shame. As Urobo people say they marry Ukwane women, Urobo language don't change, no. As so many of our Ukwane men, they marry Urobo women, have Ukwane language changed? No. No tribe for this country go tell you say now because of say that they marry women from this tribe now make their language change. They come and adopt the language of women where they marry come from another land. Are you people not ashamed of yourself? The worst part of it is that so many youths from Ikwerre land are spreading this lie saying that it's because their fathers married women from Igbo land. That was why they started to speak Igbo language. Igbo! Other tribes where they marry from Igbo land, how many of them their language don't change? The ones where we Igbos they marry from outside, how many of our language don't change? Oba people are called Oba. That word Oba means garden. In Ukwani land, what we call garden is Oba. Oba people, what they call farm is Oba. In Ukwani land, farm can be called Oba because it's a garden where you plant crops. A garden is also called Oba. Oba people in River State, you people are Ukwane people. Now Ukwane land are from migrate. Ukwane people are Igbo people. Ekpeye people, they said that Akalaka gave birth to them. The name that Akalaka gave to his child, called Oba, that founded Oba people, is an Ukwane name. Is Ekpeye a Bini name? No. What is the meaning of the word Ikwerre? Ikwerre means to agree. Is Ikwerre a Bini word? No. The king of Oba Kingdom is now calling himself Oba of Oba Kingdom. If you like, dress like Oba of Bini. If you like, carry Bini artifact, everything full of Oba Kingdom. You people are still Igbo people. Time must come where you people will start telling the world that you people are Igbos. Your children are growing. They will see all these videos that we are doing. It's not by doing propaganda, printing books, writing books, sharing the books. Those books are lies. Our videos are here to puncture those lies. Mind you, our descendants, our upcoming generations will be posting these videos to your descendants. Okpowagidi welcome from Arochukwu. You people said that Okpowagidi is not from Arochukwu, that he's from Bini. The descendant of that Okpowagidi, they thought said they come from Arochukwu, but because of politics, you people now sat down and started giving orders. Deny Igbo identity, deny Igbo origin. That was why you see so many of them coming out today saying that they are not Igbo people, that they are from Bini. The name of these ancestors, Ochichi and Akalaka, that are brothers, those two names are not Bini names. Ochichi and Akalaka are brothers. The two names are Igbo names. Even as Asari Dokubo take the care issue with Igbo people, he still they come, they tell those Igbo people they deny their identity, say they be Igbo people. You Ikwerre people have been denying your identity. Are you people still better than the Southeast? No. Is Anioma better than the Southeast? No. You don't want to join the Southeast because of marginalization. You that is still in South, you are being marginalized. We Anioma people, we are being marginalized. Nothing is working. Instead of us to unite with our Southeast brothers, to have one voice, to have a say in politics, to increase our landmass, una not agree, una say, una one day on our own, make una turn on our history. Do you know what it means? To be lying to your children, telling them false history, telling them that they are not who they are. You speak Igbo language, you observe the Igbo for market days, you observe Igbo cultures and tradition. Everything about Ikwerre or Banekwe people is Igbo. Today they are saying that they are not Igbo people. That Akalaka, that means destiny, means precious cup. Bini people they don't say Akalaka no mean precious cup. Say what you they call precious cup for Bini na Ubunoga. Una say no, na lie. Say Akalaka means precious cup because una don't sit down and agree say Akalaka means precious cup. Ego. Ndi Ikwerre ndi Oba ndi Ekpeye. Ego ifela dey munu. Shameless people. Make una dey get shame. If you come to Anioma, you go see some descendant of Ezechima will tell you, we are from Bini, we are not Igbo people, we are Bini people. Ezechima, our ancestor, migrated from Bini. They are not give reason to the name of the ancestor. What is the meaning of Ezechima? Is Ezechima a Bini name? No. Waiting pursue Ezechima for Bini. Who be in Bini papa? Who be in Bini mama? All those questions are what they're supposed to ask. They say no, say they are from Bini. As far as they migrated from Bini, they are Bini people. Sense where you dey, sense where you dey. Which you know. My Ogume people go see they tell you, we are from Bini, we are not Igbo people. What be the meaning of your ancestor name for Bini? They're not fit tell you. They tell you say we migrated from Bini, we are Bini people. They no one sit down reason, ask themselves questions. Your papa will tell you history. Sit down, reason this thing, use logic, use research, ask your papa question. How this thing can be true? How come my ancestor is called Chime? How come my ancestor is called Akalaka, an Igbo name? I have checked. The name of my ancestor means something in Igbo nation. But the name of that my ancestor did not mean anything in these places that you said we came from. Ukwane people are indigenous in Idu kingdom. That Idu kingdom, the history of that land is not complete without Igbo nation. We are indigenous there. Now Oromian invasion pursue we Igbo people come up from that place. The descendants of that Oromian, all those Oba, started using our people for slavery and sacrifice. That was why so many that remained there kept running back. You go see community for they tell you say we are from Bini Kingdom. They go they call for you the name of their ancestor will come out from Bini Kingdom. They go they call for you Igbo name. Instead of to take name, trace your ancestry, you are now taking migration to trace your ancestry. Lack of reasoning and understanding. Oba Bini right say Ikwerre people are typical Igbos. You people are still forcing yourself to identify as Bini people, but una go force una self tired. Now why I thought say una mind no go touch ground. Una don't say una dey lie to una self. You people know that you are lying. All these Ikwerre people, some of them know say na lie that they tell their children. Some of them know deep in their hearts that they are lying. Ikwerre language have always been Igbo language. That language where they speak today, now that they speak since their history. And they will be telling you the reason why we are speaking Igbo language is because Akalaka, when he was coming back from Bini, he married Igbo women. Because of that, that was why the children are not speaking Igbo language, just deceiving yourself. It's Akalaka a Bini name. If you dey talk nonsense, try to reason that nonsense when you talk, whether it makes sense for you. Just dey talk nonsense with boldness. Which Ikwerre king go feel whole or for swear say Akalaka na Bini person? If to say any Ikwerre king, they make it come out. All these Ikwerre historians that are busy saying rubbish online, saying that Ikwerre people are Bini people. How many of them go feel hold or for swear say Ikwerre people are Bini people? They are not go fit. They know the repercussion. Say as they lie, give small children, they tell us they be Bini people. Keep lying to them. A time will come, their eye go open. Ikwerre people are Igbo people. They are not Bini people. No matter the lie that Ikwerre, Ekpe, and Oba people are lying, we go they bust their lies. Their mind not go touch ground. Ikwerre people, Ekpe people, Oba people are Igbo people, and there is nothing your lies can do about it. Isheware.